Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid.com, and we're going to now be looking at mobile layouts. So with the most recent version of Muse, we've had this great option now for multiple layouts: desktop, tablet and phone. Most of the MuseGrid templates use the desktop and phone because we designed the desktop version to work nice and neatly in tablet devices. So we don't have a specific tablet device apart from currently the My App theme, which has all three. So you don't need to worry about the tablet version in most MuseGrid templates, but the phone one is especially important. Now, there's two ways of doing mobile sites. One is with responsive design, and that can be very time consuming. It's very effective, very good. In fact, the MuseGrid.com website is a responsive website. If you take a look at it in a tablet or on a phone, you'll see that it's a great responsive website. But for the small business customer who may want a mobile phone site, they may not want to go to the expense of a fully responsive site. So Muse has this great feature for mobile layouts. So if we switch over to the mobile layout, we're looking at the cinch template from MuseGrid, and let's take a look at the master first. So the master is quite simplified. We've got the heading, the logo. It still matches the design of the overall cinch template. If we go back and take a look at the desktop version here, so we've still got the elements that make up the look and feel of the cinch template, but they've been stripped right down to the bare basics. A couple of good reasons for that. One, somebody's mobile bandwidth. The less graphics and content that they have to download, the less bandwidth it's going to take, so you get a nice speedy response. Plus we're looking at screen sizes. We don't want elements on the page to be so small that they're not functioning. So if you can cut down just to the bare basics of what's needed, then that's more useful as a mobile design. And I do especially like the fact that with being able to do these mobile layouts in Muse, we can make the layout specific to phones. So if we take a look now from the master, let's go into the home page and see what we've done here with cinch. Now I'm going to just remove the navigation here, just Control X on that to cut that so that we can see what we've got. We've still got a slider here, but we've reduced it right down, and then we've just got the trigger overlays. But Muse adds the touch controls, so this slider will then be able to be swiped with the finger rather than using the buttons to navigate. We've got these the buttons here, and what we've done from the home content is we've just grabbed what we would consider to be the essential content from the home page and put them into the mobile home page. Now if I paste the menu back in place, we're going to use the paste in place function. Have a look at copying and pasting on one of the other MuseGrid tutorials if you want to see how to do that. We've got we're using the actual the accordion widget for this, and we've just got a single accordion option, a background, transparent background here with a fill of the icon here. So that allows us then to have the logo showing through and to have the icon here. And in the options we've selected that you can close it and that all are closed initially. So that means when the page loads up, the navigation isn't sitting over the top of the content. We've also got this click to call button. Now, one of the most important things in a mobile site is that somebody can actually call the person from their phone, call the company from their phone. So we thought it would be a good idea to put the click to call in the navigation so that they can click, open, click to call straight away. And if you click through and click into that button, you'll see here up in the links here we've written TEL and then we've written the number here. That will be picked up by Muse and turn it into a click to call button. So just to briefly close up, keep your content essential in your mobile version, use widgets sparingly and content sparingly, but with the MuseGrid templates of course it's already done for you, and have fun. Thanks for watching.